Today, I'm going to be talking about start pages. What are start pages? This is a start page. It is like the first thing that you see when you open your browser. It's not a home page, it's a start page. Uh, I'm in guest mode now, so you can't see it, but my start page is this one. And I think it's pretty great. It looks nice. There's light mode. Uh, Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a start page like mine. Sorry, I meant Bento GitHub start page. So to host this, you can host it locally if you want. You can put it on your own site, or you can just use GitHub pages like they do in the demo. So this would be like your username.github.io/bento. In today's case, I'm just going to be using my VPS. And then I'll host it. It's currently hosted on the directory /welcome. I'll make a new one. I'll make a new directory. We'll call it yet.tn/tutorial. All right, tutorial. All right. So that's forbidden because we don't have an index.html file yet in that. And so the first thing you want to do is actually clone this repository. So you just go to this link, you copy it, and then you type in, is this big enough? You type in git clone, and then you paste in the link. So now it's cloned. It gives us a Bento folder. We're just going to move everything in that Bento folder into this directory. So now we have, so now if you look at it here, we have all these files on our server. Let's remove the Bento folder because it doesn't, yeah, it still has the git folder in it. So do an rm-rf and careful with this one. All right. So the main file that you're gonna wanna edit is the config.js. Well, for now, let's just see the default, right? So this is the default. It's okay, I guess. It's asking for our position to get the weather info, but you can see that even if when we allowed it to take our position, it did not figure out the weather. That's because we don't have an API key. All right, so these look to be like the main links, and when you make it big, you get the music. I'm guessing I'm gonna get rickrolled when I do this. Yep. Okay. And so use Vim or Nano. I'll use Vim in this case. They tried to do some weird ASCII art here. Definitely didn't work out, so just remove that. And you can see the first option we have. Sorry, I'll mute this. I'll mute this terminal. 1 second, I'll get it to make more noise. Is there a way I can mute this? No? God damn it. Alright, let's give up on that. So first thing you want to change is the name, obviously. I'm gonna call it YouTube. And so this should say good evening YouTube, right? And then when we refresh that, good evening YouTube. Name image background. This would be if you wanted to have an image in the background, not this solid color. I like it with a solid color, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Open a new tab. So this means when you click on these links, does it open them in a new tab? So we could set this to false. I don't know why you'd want to, but you can. And now when we click on this, it doesn't open in a new tab. So you get the thing. This is easy to do. There are different types of layouts. So now we're currently in Bento layout. If we change it to less, we get another layout, obviously. See, list layout. And then we can change it again to buttons. And bam. So the main thing I'm going to concern myself with now is getting the weather. And so to do that, you need an API key from, I forgot the actual name, so I'm going to look it up here. So just Control F for weather, find it in the index, click on the index, and then just go to this website, openweathermap.org. So just open that. And so the first thing you're gonna have to do is sign up. So go to sign in and then create an account. Let's get a temporary email address from temp mail. So put that in, put in a random username. Hi YouTube, how are you? And then make a very secure password. Definitely not password 123. That would be terrible. Sorry. Okay. Of course I am 16 years old and over. I agree. Fine, let's just overload their email servers. Cares, it's not our email. Validate, create an account. Company, what purpose? Agriculture. I am a farmer. Save. They're gonna send you a confirmation link. Just confirm that. Bam. Close this window. Your email address has been successfully confirmed. Now you want to go to your API. Or no, actually, go to API keys. And then boom, we have a key. Don't try to use this one. I'm gonna shut off this account after I'm done with the video. So, alright. So now you just find where it says insert your API key here. Delete that. Put in your API key and exit. Now this should work. If you just refresh. And it doesn't work. That's weird. Okay. Let's try Control F5. Yes. So something is wrong with our API key. What is wrong with our API key? API key name, okay. Hello, it's me. I'll just make a new one. Okay, it doesn't want to work, so I'll just look at what's up in the console. Okay, so we get a 401 unauthorized. That's weird. So the API is basically saying I don't recognize this key, which is weird, which is very weird. So why does it not like it? Calls per minute. Okay, so in a perfect world, you would have a temperature here, but I tried with the API keys and it didn't work. So maybe it works for you. Someone in the comments will probably tell me the mistake I did, because I honestly don't know. But yeah, guys, that's it. Goodbye. I hope it works for you.